Айде да видим. Айде да продължим, да видим кой ни предложат още. Не са с Creed. Знах.
We're back with Just Dance 2016 on all motion platforms. And I got a little bit of news. You don't need a camera connected to your console to play the game anymore. You'll be able to use your smartphone as a controller to play Just Dance 2016.
О, това Just Dance. Баш така. В Assassin's Creed Just Dance. Just Dance!
And we're excited to be opening up the game.
Аре, пусни още една песен на Lady Gaga като миналата година.
And they're gonna have lots to look forward to. An awesome track list of huge hits, new features, and like
Just Dance!
a few surprises. Like this one. What?
О, не ми кажа, че пак ще излизат хора от... Давай! О, то ли бе? Джейсън Деруло? О май гад! По-добре бяха поканали Крис Браун. These girls ain't right. Пуснете Металика! Металика, моля! Това е добро. Бе, че лаптопа ми не мога. Да беше по-свободен. Ще си игра така спокойно. Това още мога да игра. Тази част му ще да игра на PlayStation. Който? Моля пише, че е Shitfest, не че... Така ще го напиша. Shitfest. Ето, Shitfest. Така е добре. Който нарича всички жени кучки.
Congratulations, because your album Everything Is For and the single Want to Want Me just hit #1 on the top 40 radio chart this morning.
But I like the way you do it. Какво беше една песен, дето джигали? Какво беше?
It was amazing seeing you up there, you know, I just stay up.
О, забравя съм, една пустия за газове. И стига с тия песни с газовете. Поне не беше за песен за газовете. Ако не е друго.
I am living stuff like proof that not all of our people can dance. That's just, you know, there's got to be one. I missed that meeting, but I wanna get into it because I actually heard that you are actually a big fan of Just Dance.
I am a huge fan. You know, I love the idea that, you know, music can inspire people, but I feel like this video game is such a part of pop culture, and I feel like it allows, you know, the young ones like my little niece who loves to play the game, and you know, older folks like my mom who doesn't necessarily know how to dance, but it makes her feel like, you know, she could get it, so it inspires everybody. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's really great. And I'm really excited because this song is a huge hit. It's a #1 hit. It's going to be in the
И не е за газове.
They're going to want to buy it. They're going to dance. They're going to be like you. Can't be Jason Derulo, but you can be like Jason Derulo. So thank you so much for coming on today. That was so exciting.
Трябваше много си налея по време на това.
Give it up for Jason Derulo, everybody!
Сега едно дърби малко. Че е добро. Колко тъмените.
We're going to fight
fight about that?
You will. One more thing to share.
Shitfest.
Just Dance
Nu am
2016 will be available
psihopată.
this October on all platforms. The Wii, Xbox 360, PS3. But we have something special for Wii U, Xbox One, and PS4
I
players.
za PlayStation jednog veće. O, šteljive! Не, че хубавото, че поне тия хората така могат слабницата. Има хора, които кажат, че защото се движиш така. Което е хубаво. Поне това мога да кажа.
Introducing a streaming service that brings new songs all year long and all the greatest hits of Just Dance straight to your console. It's something the fans have been asking for a long time. It's called Just Dance Unlimited, and it's the first ever Dance on Demand streaming subscription service.
Танцуваш
Anyone
докато
with
си
a copy
пръснеш
of Just
мозък.
Dance 2016 on Wii U, Xbox One, or PS4 will be able to subscribe.
That's killer.
It's
So great. That's new, fresh content all the time. So great. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Everybody give it up for the other Jason, OJ, Jason Altman. Give it up. It was my pleasure.
Окей, това вече стана интересно.
I called you here today because we face dire circumstances. Our intelligence has confirmed the existence of a new threat that is unlike any we have seen before. This organization has the ability to carry out
Не ми кажа, че аз
attacks
съм
anywhere
скъп,
in
моля
the
те.
world. They are highly lethal and indiscriminate
No,
of
no.
age, religion, or nationality. The potential for loss of human life and psychological terror is substantial and cannot be ignored.
Окей.
The very definition of an unknown.
Дрогичка ли е това или бомби?
Our only choice of action is to meet force.
О, да не е Watch Dogs
As of
2,
this
бе.
moment, my program is reactivated, and I am handing over command of all global field operations to you. Recruit your operators from among the world's foremost elite. Borders and protocols
Не
are
знам какво е това. Може да е Splinter Cell, може да е Watch Dogs.
We must be the shield that safeguards the civilized world from those who wish to
What?
do it harm. No matter how or where our enemies strike, no matter what defense they cower behind, Team Rainbow must stand ready.
Rainbow. О, това да е Rainbow Six. А, да, Rainbow Six.
Now, if
Още на мултиплеер игра.
conference last year, you know,
Това мултиплеер?
when I saw Rainbow
Колко?
Six Siege, I was so excited. I love this franchise. Judging from the audience reaction, I think we're all having the same feeling about this game. It is close quarters combat like you have never experienced before. Everything is destructible. And my friends, once you die,
Да, като
stay
Battlefield.
dead. It's explosive, it's
Cut
bone-rattling,
Battlefield.
it's intense, and it's led by an equally intense but cool-headed woman by the name of Six.
И като Counter-Strike, Battlefield и Counter-Strike комбинирани в едно.
The extraordinary Angela Bassett.
О, шегувам се, стига с тия. То ще има и геймплей, ще има и трейлер.
How are you, gorgeous? Oh my
Да,
God.
такова.
I love
Я
this
спим
game. I love
поне.
this franchise.
Малко
But now that you're in
продуктово
it, I don't even
позиционира
know
нашия
what to do.
спонсор.
So, this is actually the first time that you've been in a video game.
My first
Yeah.
time,
Right?
yeah.
So tell me a little bit about that experience for you.
Разгледа, че ще спра.
Yeah, I play the role of Six, and I'm the deputy director of the Rainbow Six
Много
Counterterrorism Unit. It has been a great experience so far. And you know, I'm all about playing interesting characters, and definitely was.
Нищо лично, ама малко
I
съмнявам.
think actually people don't realize how complex video game acting
Ще
can
играе
be.
вие.
When I was in Watch Dogs, my character got pancaked by a garbage truck, so I'm just happy to see that yours is a little bit more layered than my experience.
Six managed to avoid all that, at least to my knowledge.
Right.
Yeah, well, mostly she just guides the Rainbow Unit, you know, to make sure that the operations has, you know, all of the intel that they need to be able to eliminate threats.
Right. I mean, as an actress, it's incredible to be here with you because you've played everyone. Tina Turner, Dr. Betty Shabazz, Rosa Parks, now you're Marie Laveau in American Horror Story. Were there any ways in which this work differed from those other experiences for you?
Well, I've always
Wow,
represented four
good.
characters that, challenged me as an actor. So in that respect, it wasn't very much different. And there was a lot of, stuff from a movie set or TV set that was applicable to this. It's all about character and it's all about story, and I was able to really just take on the character and make it my own. And of course, you had the director who was there leading you because you're, there alone. So you want to make sure that the stakes were heightened and you were exactly where you needed to be. And, for those gamers who are out there who are taking command.
Yeah, and it's an immersive experience. It's like living through a film. And with you in this film, we get to all play opposite you. So I know it's a dream come true for me. I can't wait to see what you've done with it. Ladies and gentlemen, truly one of the great actresses of our time. Please give it up for Angela Bassett.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Give it up for Angela Bassett, everybody.
Само това ли беше?
So far we've only been talking about multiplayer, but there is so
Да! Ба, дори си го признават. Поне ми поздрави, че само за мултиплеер говоря. Ба, как си го правил? Само за мултиплеер. Ба.
Thanks, Aisha. Hi, everyone. Ever since we announced at E3 last year, the community has been asking about the solo and co-op experiences of our game. Today, we are glad to announce
Go
that
fuck
Zero
yourself, ли каза?
is back.
What the?
It will be playable solo or with up to 4 friends. In Terror Hunt, our players will be facing the most challenging AI in a Rainbow Six game yet.
Oh.
The terrorists will be able to create a stronghold and lead an assault using destruction in unexpected ways. So let's see it in action. Our team's mission will be to disarm bombs set in a French consulate. We'll be following Team Captain Chris Henry over here throughout this demo. Keep in mind that this is a live demo and anything can happen.
Да.
Hope you enjoy.
Например, играта заби.
Team, are you ready?
Заради това сме го записали.
Hope you enjoy.
За това сме го записали.
Alright guys, let's do this. Yep. Bruno, I want you to start heading to the right-hand side with your team. Gab, let's stay back for a second and scout the left-hand side here.
Yeah, okay. Let me see. No, there's nothing on the left.
I got the front door barricaded. It looks like the balcony at the top of the 2 windows are barricaded too.
Що са тия тактическите? Хоче са. Поне има такова. То хубаво, че са тия по-кооперативни. Не е нещо Call of Duty Fest, дед да... Ти че си стреляш, бе. Ти че стреляш. О, нощка.
Okay, so we have 2 guys inside. We could probably take them out quietly.
Okay, coming to the roof now, Bruno.
Как Батман.
Good? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna need a hand here.
Всички обичат...
Okay, you want to take him down and go? 3, 2, 1, go.
Got it. Good job, guys.
Nice work. Next side.
Brilliant.
Take a look at the
Виж,
back.
тази игра ще бъде по-забавна, ако беше кооперативна само. То мисля, че е само мултиплеер.
For a second, guys. Yep. I'm gonna send my drone out and scout before we move off. You look pretty good behind the first barricade. I don't see too much. There's another barricade.
По-моему има кампания, не знам се.
Set up just behind it. I also saw, I saw a bomber here in the middle of the hallway. Nico, can you send your drone out and start taking care of the traps? Yeah, I'll send my shot drone. Okay, careful. Yeah, bomber's right there. Hold on.
Какво записва? Записва,
Start
да.
going back.
Представяш си да не...
Okay, you're good, man. He's coming back now. Safe? Yeah, you're good. Go for it. I'm gonna start moving up. Keep an eye on the bomber, alright? He's coming back. I'll back up. I have 1 shield here at the end of the hallway. I got a guy behind the desk. Located a bomb. The consulate office desk. I got 1 guy also behind a shield. Okay. You guys ready to move up?
Yeah, yes we are. Go.
Защо не го направиха същото и на Division?
Come over here. right in front of you.
Slow down a bit. Coming. Okay.
Clear the room?
Yep.
We good? Yeah.
Yep.
Clear.
Okay, hey Nico, can you bridge this door in front of us now?
Anything for you.
Thanks. You guys ready?
Yeah, go for it, man.
Go for it, Nico. One. Moving forward.
Okay.
To the other barricade.
The bomber's behind the second one there, Gab.
Yep.
We'll let you-
O, dracu stvar PG-ove.
Stay back a little bit. Bomber's
He's right there. He's right there.
Back up. He's right there. Okay, get him.
Spoko.
Need help?
We're
He's right there, he's right there. Oh shit.
Here, take this.
Nice work. Okay.
Thanks.
You're hurt, eh, man?
Yeah, I'm pretty hurt. The hallway's pretty open, so take cover behind my shield here.
Okay, we're gonna start moving up the main hall. You guys can start moving up on the left-hand side.
Yeah, take your time.
There's a couple of guys on the end here.
There's a lot of them. 3 guys. 4.
Left shot.
I'm reloading.
Watch out.
Back down. Back down.
I'm down.
I got him.
No, pick it up. Push forward. There's 1 guy in the console office.
Got 1 down, 2 down. I'm reloading.
Got one. I got one.
Here you go.
Okay, start moving up.
Evo ima na minut.
Tag? Yep, come through the wall, alright? Going hard. Okay.
I see 1 more.
Štrapa, ovo spiram. Da nam je stalo dostаточно време в тази
Take a look on
камера.
the right, Nico.
Yeah.
А още 2-3 секунди.
The room's clear.
Clear.
Ще е интересно
Nico,
това.
clear the right-hand side.
Топ.
Good. They're both down?
Добре, изчакай. Крути топките.